The company say it is a 1-to-1 scale replica, but the length is a little bit off. The length from the end of the muzzle on to the end of the buttstock is not 880mm like the real AK. This is only 876, so it's 4mm off. You'll see that it is orange, or parts of it are. That is the buttstock, the pistol grip, and the foregrip. They're all orange. Because the UK laws, I'm not UK ARA registered, so I cannot have a realistic gun. But it comes with one magazine, a high cap. To load it is to flip up that door there, pour your BBs in, and close it, turn it upside down, so, and then you turn it up so it works. If you have it this way, it's better. Keep on turning it and the BBs will pop up into that hole. And if you want to get some BBs out that you've already done, you can either open the door and tip them out, or if they're already wound up, there's that switch bit there, you just pull it to the side and they'll all spring out. So, features of the gun: it's got a sling mount there, got the little circles that we have on the real gun, the trigger guard, plastic, all plastic, and the trigger, magazine release, just push it like that. Front sight, I'll go into more detail of that later. No, that's the rear sight, sorry. That's the front sight. That's all the features on that side, but the magazine housing at the bottom. I'll show you the other side now. You can see 2 screws in the pistol grip. It's got the safety switch. You push it up for safe, and then put it down for not safe, or for fire. Same with these parts: magazine release, trigger guard, trigger. It's got the bolt here. Hard to do with one finger, but this is all plastic. That might look like metal, but it's just silver plastic. It's got a switch thing there, I don't know what it does. And then that is it, apart from it has a sling mount on this side here. Also on the bottom it has that fake cleaning rod. That would be a cleaning rod on the real one, but this is screwed in. Same here, magazine housing. To get when it comes, you have to put the stock on from 1 screw at the top, 2 screws at the bottom. I only put 1 in because it's hard to put them in. To get the magazine into the gun, you get your magazine, and then that's the wrong way because that's the wheel there. Turn the right way up, and you have to hook the front of it on, and then clip it back. And to get it out, you just do the opposite, but you press the mag release and take it out. So it's quite simple after you get used to it. Now I'll show you the the sight. That is the front sight. It is not adjustable, so you can't adjust that for windage or elevation. And coming back to the rear sight, is adjustable. So view from the top. You might not be able to see, but it has numbers on it. And I don't know what the numbers mean. It's the range, but just push this bit off and it goes up and down. I'll show you what it looks like when you're going through the sight. That is as close as I can do it with the camera. But that's what it looks like. You should line all that up and then you shoot. So it is a single shotgun. So what that means, you find the cocking handle of the bolt and just pull it back, and you can hear that click, and then just let it go again, and then you can shoot, and you just do it again, and that's it. So that is, oh yeah, this is about 250 FPS I'd say. So that is my review on the P.1093 AK47 by CYMA.